So how to enable auto translate? If you receive your call, and top right corner you can see the icon. If you press on live translate, then as you can see it's Arabic. Hey, how are you? How are you today?
Online, then download to clear up.
Then here you can see it's English to Arabic. The agency is English. Now if you want to translate your language, just swipe right or press on this icon, like this icon, then your call will be automatically recorded, and you can change your language as well. From here you can select English to Arabic. How are you today, like that. So how to set up this option for your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Press on call icon, go to three dotted line and go setting. Then here you can see the live translation. Just enable this option. Once you enable this option, here you can see the language. You need to download your language. You can download Chinese, Dutch, or any other language as well. Hindi, Indonesian, a lot of option available here. And you can change your voice as well, mute my voice, lot of option available actually. So once you enable this option, your live translation will be enabled for your S26 Ultra. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and hit the like button.